So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we create a Snapchat account. So, to know that, firstly go to your Snapchat. After going to your Snapchat, there will be the option of login or sign up. If you have an account, you can log in. If you want to create an account, click on sign up. Then click on continue, allow. First name, type your first name. Just for reference, I'll take anything, but you have to type your name. Choose your date of birth. When you were born. Continue. Choose your password, which will be 8 character on total. Okay, continue. You can use your phone number also. Now they'll send the code to your phone number, and after getting the code, just type there and click on next. And after writing the code, you'll be able to create your own Snapchat account. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.